In English, we might say, what is Amy mad for? Well, in ASL, we'll go like this. All right, let's sign this question. Starting with the name, let's fingerspell A-M-Y. Right, we have Amy. Amy. Here's a sign for mad. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're kind of making this claw shape here, and we're going to flex it right in front of our face. Okay, at the same time, let's put on a facial expression that indicates mad. So you wouldn't be like this. You'd be more like this. From the side. Mad. Other side. From the front again. Mad. How do we sign what for? We go, what for? What for? This is a WH question, so furrow those eyebrows. For me, it feels more natural to furrow my eyebrows at the end when I'm signing what for. So Amy mad, you could just do regular eyebrows, and we're signing mad up there, so you might need to put on a mad face. Let's do some practice. Sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. Amy mad, what for? Amy mad, what for? All right, speeding up. Okay, how about let's do you? I'm asking you and you're all pissed off and I want to ask you, you mad, what for? How would we sign it? That's right. You mad, what for? All right, let's switch it out. Another name. How about we do Dan? All right, D-A-N, Dan. How would we do that one? That's right. Dan, mad, what for? Okay, let's do this one last time. Here we go. All right, we just talked about how to sign Amy mad, what for?